Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious, sparkling cranberry raspberry
tropical fruit
that I
punch.
know you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This delicious and amazing sparkling
Tropical fruit punch.
I have raspberry, cranberries, lemons, pineapple, orange, of course the juice of cranberry and raspberry, and 7-Up. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing
Tropical fruit punch. So let's get started. I want to start first with the lemons and the orange juice. These lemons are from my garden, and of course we are going to rinse them really good because we are going to add the skin into this delicious tropical fruit punch. Okay, once they are completely washed and rinsed, now I am ready to start getting the juice of this delicious and amazing lemon. Of course, I'm just gonna slide it through the center. Let me show it to you. This lemon still has a little bit of seeds, so just be careful before you add it to the whole mixture. Make sure that you put it through a sifter. And here I'm gonna be taking all the delicious juice out of this lemon. This lemon has a lot of juice. I'm gonna obtain like half a cup of juice. Look at this. Of course that I'm not gonna leave anything behind. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and reserve it. I want to continue with another lemon that I'm gonna slice the edges, and then I'm just gonna slice it very thinly. Just like this. This lemon has seeds, so just make sure that you remove all the seeds. Slowly, be careful, take your time. You want to make sure that you remove all the seeds from all the slices. This is going to take a little bit of time, but believe me, with this hot weather, who doesn't want a delicious and amazing tropical fruit punch made at home with lots of love? I'm going to stay getting all the seeds completely out and being very careful because I don't want to get cut. And once you are completely done, so then let me show you. I have no more seeds. I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to continue with my orange. And of course, I'm going to do the same thing. Remove the sides, cut it, slice it very thinly. And I was thinking it's going to look even better if I cut it in 4 pieces, just like that. And that's exactly how I'm going to cut the orange. And I'm going to cut the lemon the same way. Look at this. My mouth is already watering. This tropical fruit punch is going to come out so good and refreshing. Perfect for this hot weather. And here I have all the ingredients. I have the pineapple, frozen pineapple, the raspberries. Look at they're really cold, the juice of the lemon. And now let me show you the pineapple. Look at this. The cranberries are frozen too. And now I have all the ingredients ready. I have the 7-Up, I have the juice. And now in my big bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some ice right on the bottom. With this hot weather, you really want to enjoy something refreshing. Here, I'm going to put through all the juice through the sifter, making sure that none of the seeds go into this amazing punch. I'm adding the raspberries, the cranberries. I'm going to add the pineapple. Oh gosh, I can't wait to enjoy it. All the slices of the oranges, all the slices of the lemon. And then I'm just gonna add just a little more of the ice. But before I do that, let me just incorporate completely. And I can't wait to start adding the juice. I'm gonna go ahead, add the juice. You could add some sugar if that's what you would like. But to my tasting, the juice is perfect. It has the perfect sweetened, so I'm not going to use any sugar. After you've done this, then you're gonna add your 7-Up. I like adding the 7-Up on my cup so that all the sparkling bubbles don't go away. But if you have a large family like I do, you could go ahead and add it directly into this big bowl. Look at this. I can't wait to enjoy it. It's really nice, hot. It's really hot out here. And I can't wait to enjoy this refreshing and delicious tropical fruit punch made at home. And like I always say, when it's made at home with lots of love, it tastes amazing and it's nice and refreshing. Now I'm ready to add it to a glass and enjoy. Here I have the sparkling 7-Up. I have the punch. I have my glass already with all the delicious fruit inside. And now I'm just ready to add the sparkling 7-Up into it. And of course the rest. I'm gonna add it to the punch. And now I am ready to enjoy and refresh myself with this amazing punch. Look at this. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make it at home. I'm ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing tropical fruit punch. You know something? This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. It's nice and hot, and why not enjoy a delicious and sparkling punch? Well, let me try it. Oh my God. Perfection made at home. With this hot weather, let's get refreshed with Cooking with Gloria. Let's make the lemonades that I have on my channel. I hope that you guys give it a try. You make it at home and enjoy it with your family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.